Hi friends, welcome to Dr. Dragos' Valley Fever product reveal, where I'll showcase some of my favorite products for dogs suffering with valley fever. Dogs with acute or early cases of valley fever cough like mad. Is your dog coughing so much that he can't sleep, and neither can you? Does your dog cough with even the slightest exertion? Does she swallow hard like her throat hurts? Today's product is a sanity saver and will give your dog the relief she needs to get better faster. This is Fritillaria and Pinellia cough formula. It comes in liquid and tablets. This is a fabulous formula for dogs with valley fever in the lungs or pneumonia. Dogs that are coughing, snoring more, or have a sore throat. It can be also used to control coughing in dogs that cough so hard they vomit or cough up sticky mucus. The herbs in this formula are traditionally processed and combined with complementary herbs to ensure their safety and efficacy. Along with processed Fritillaria and Pinellia, this formula has other fabulous herbs, such as skullcap, apricot seed, and licorice. Skullcap reduces fevers, is great for respiratory infections, is pain relieving, and a cough suppressant. Apricot seed is antifungal and also a cough suppressant. Licorice helps alleviate fatigue, improves digestion, reduces fevers, and modulates the other herbs, and harmonizes the formula so that all the herbs combined are more effective and safer than when they're used individually. Interestingly, many of the herbs in this formula inhibit the growth of cancer cells. You can find this formula, Fritillaria and Pinellia, in my Valley Fever store on my website, www.drpameladragos.com, and DM me for dosing guidelines once you place your order.